Take note of the errors that you're making. If you don't know you're making errors, you can't be held accountable for that. Forget that. But you know when you're screwing up. And when you're screwing up, mark it down. Don't just say, oh, I hope today is different. Do it mathematically. Keep a journal. Keep a list of your most frequently committed errors. Chop that list down. Say, listen, can I get through the next 4 trades without committing this error? Oh, yes, I'm going to reward myself. Now let's go the next 4 trades without committing that error. Let's get 20 trades in a row without committing that error. It's gone. Errors need to be fed to survive. Work on this methodically. Work on this mathematically. Let's get something every single day to work on. Let's not just say, okay, tomorrow's Friday. I hope it's different from Thursday. That's not how greatness is created. You know, every day you wake up. What can I do different today? What can I do better today? You should wake up with that. You should go to bed with what you're going to do tomorrow. Better. What you're not going to do, which is a mistake from yesterday, and what you're going to do more of that's good. You should go to bed with that and wake up and say, yes, today is going to be a better day than yesterday. You do not find the right thing in the midst of all the wrong things. You've got to clear the wrong things out to even see the right thing. The right thing is being blocked. The right method, the right tactic, the right technique, the right mode, the right the right everything is being blocked by millions, not millions, but a lot of the wrong thing. You see, the right thing is in scarcity. The wrong thing is in abundance. So the abundant thing is blocking the scarce thing. You find yourself by removing the false part of yourself. You find the right thing by discovering what is the wrong thing. Not this, that's not it. Cross it off the list. Not this, that's not it. Cross that off the list. Cross enough off the list. Get rid of enough that you clearly see is not good, is not right. All of a sudden, one day, oh my God. There it is. The right thing. It's always been here. Oh my God, it's so simple. It's so basic. Oh my God, why didn't I see this before? What happened? What happened is that you just cleared the way to basically see this. It was being blocked by all the nonsense ideas in your mind, all the nonsense thoughts, all the things you've read, all the things put out by second and third rate instructors in this business who do nothing but read a few books and package something and sell it to you for a price. All of that garbage is in the way of the truth. Let's just cross them off one by one. Well, this sucks. Cross it off the list. Get rid of it. This is certainly not it. That's what I did. Not this. Lost all my money on that. That's not it. Cross it off the list. Cross enough off the list, and one day, boom, there it is. You first go through a period of understanding what proper trading is not. You don't find what it is on day one. How is that possible? You don't start to see the light on day one. You don't know what you're doing on day one. You don't have any freaking clue of what's good trading and bad trading on day one, but you can know what it is not.